Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tyler. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Gonna make a wish. What you wanna wish for? That you grow up to be a wonderful kid. We're gonna blow the cake at the count of 3, okay? 1, 2, 3. Yay! Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, and welcome to another vlog. I guess by the title of this video you already know what time it is. It's my baby's birthday. Oh my god, each time I think about it I get a little bit choked up. Sorry about my bare face and all that. I just woke up and just trying to get my day started, but I couldn't help but to come on to say happy birthday to my wonderful baby boy. I cannot believe that Tyler is already 1. Last year this time it was bittersweet for me because after Tyler was born I didn't get to spend any time with him because I had to whisk him away to the ICU and all that. We were in the hospital for 3 weeks before we got home. But you guys can go and catch up with my birth and delivery story. But before you do catch up with my birth and delivery story, make sure that you grab some tissue or something to wipe your eyes, because I'm guaranteed that you are going to shed some tears because I bawled through that entire video. So you can just check out my birth and delivery story. I'll link it in the description so you can have an easy access to see what I went through with Tyler and all that. But God has been so good and I am so grateful. Ooh, I'm about to get choked up again. Ooh, he has come a long way, and I know one day that you're going to watch this video, and I just want you to know that you're a blessing, you're a miracle, and I love you so much, and I'll never stop loving you. You'll always be my baby. It doesn't matter how old you get. I can't believe that you're 1 already. Mommy will always be there for you no matter what, and mommy and daddy will be there for you, and we'll be there to guide you through this life. And whatever is it that you choose to become in life, mommy and daddy will always be there to support you. Oh, sorry guys, I'm a mess. So it's his birthday and I'm just going to, I don't know if you guys can hear me in the background. He's downstairs watching TV. I'm just going to make him his favorite food today, and we're just gonna have some fun. Even though the family is far away, it's just gonna be me, him, and daddy. And I'm going to make sure that you have the best day ever, and I love you so much, baby. Just continue to be the happy baby that you are, and continue to grow to be the awesome kid that you are. I love you so much, and enjoy this birthday, even though I know you won't remember anything, but mommy will still make it special for you. And yeah, I'm going to make sure that every single birthday you have will be special until mommy have no control over that. I love you so much, and enjoy your day. You're a big one, and I love you from the deepest part of my heart. Mwah. I love you, Tyler. Okay, you guys, so I'm well on my way with setting up Tyler's little... Yes, baby. There he is all playing away with one of his hats. So I'm almost done setting up Tyler's table for his little party of 3 later. Don't ask me why I have 4 plates on the table and 4 hats and all those cups. Don't worry, Tyler's just gonna play with them and tear what he wants to tear up and all those good stuff. So it's just his cake to put out later when his dad gets home from work, and his food. I'm just going to make him some nuggets that he loves and fries and his little baby champagne. So that's what Tyler's table look like for now. So I'll show you guys later when I put out everything and the party's well on its way. Tyler, you excited? Papa, you excited? Yes, I know you're excited. He doesn't have a clue what's going on. Okay, you guys. So let me give you a close-up look of Tyler's cake. There's my big boy's cake. It's so cute. I love it. Hey, hey, babe. And the same pattern on his cake is the same pattern on his shirt. How cool. Hey. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Not saying hello? No? Alright, I'll just wait until you're ready. So let me show you guys my outfit. We're doing red.
Red and blue.
It's mostly red because Tyler is a happy boy and red is bright and happy, so I decided to do a red theme. So this is my outfit. Baby, you want to show your outfit?
It's just a
And that's Babe's outfit, so we're matching. And Tyler's matching too. Now it's time for Tyler's outfit. So that's Tyler's outfit. This is your outfit. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tyler. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Joyeux anniversaire. Joyeux anniversaire. Joyeux anniversaire, Tyler. Joyeux anniversaire. Yay! Have to make a wish first. Where are you gonna stand on here? Gonna make a wish. What do you wanna wish for? That you grow up to be a wonderful kid. We're gonna blow the cake at the count of 3, okay? 1, 2, 3. Yay! 1, come. 2, 3. Yay! So we have gifts for Tyler, gifts from mommy, gifts from daddy, right? Gonna pull gifts? Come, let's pull gifts. No. Babe, look at Tyler on the key. You go.
Ah, tu donnes un peu à papa?
Oh, so cute.
Tu give him some?
Yeah.
Tu veux boire un petit peu?
Yay. Oh, yum, c'est bon. Ah, he loves it. He loves it. Can mommy taste it? Apple juice tastes nice. You love it, Papa? Give him one. Give him one. Okay, you guys, so it's the end. Well, it's not really the end, but we're about to sign off and go spend some time with Tyler. He's over there enjoying his gift from Papa. He's in his little tent, his ball tent. So we're just going to finish eat and clean up Tyler's mess that he made. And yeah, we enjoy doing this with him. Hopefully one day he can look back on this and see everything that he did on his first birthday and how special mommy and daddy made it for him and how much we love him so much. And hopefully you guys enjoy watching us making memories. And if you have watched this far and you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and click that red button, leave a thumbs up and leave a comment. And it's always good talking to you guys, and hopefully you guys enjoy watching, and we will catch you guys in our next video. Bye.
Bye. Hi guys, just want to take some time and wish one more time to my son happy birthday, his first birthday. Wish in the future be able to watch this video just in order to know how much his parents love him. It been 40 years of a joy, a lot of crying, but everything alright at the end. If you watch us since the beginning, you should know our story, so I won't tell it. Just want to tell you, Tyler, how much I love you and how much you're special to us. Yeah, just want to tell you I love you, and I wish you can see this video in the future. You bring us joy. You completely change our lives since you're here, and every parents will recognize them, say there's a life before and after the first kid. So Tyler, I want to thank you to be here, and if you're watching this video, I hope you're proud of us. I hope you can see how far you've been, and yeah, I want to wish you happy birthday one more time, and from the bottom of my heart I want to tell you I love you.